Hey guys, I'm kind of sick, but I'm just gonna do this tutorial anyways because I just figured it out, which means my quality is gonna be much better now. And I'm just gonna show you it right now. I'm switching to the better mic now. Okay, so first you have to turn it on. Then click the menu button. Scroll all the way down till you find movie settings, and then click it. Click quality and switch it from 640 x 424 to 1280 by 720.
Congratulations. Your camera is now better.